And there goes Epa. Epa holds it. 6 on the shot clock. 4 on the shot clock. 3 on the shot clock. One minute 27. And Bishop now, there goes Mada. Mada now, gives it. There goes Italian. Indong. Mada na first. 1 minute 10. 8 in the shot clock. There goes Indong. Indong, no. Protest, no. That one, Quezon na bola. Quezon holds the ball. 1 minute left for the third quarter. There goes Aga now. Aga. And there's an offensive foul by number 18, Adam. Sabi ko sa number. Fifty-four seconds. And now, there goes Indong, 18 in the shot clock. Indong gives it to Imot. Imot targets in the corner. 40 seconds left for the third quarter. Now running around now, Quezon accelerate, Quezon clock. Shot clock 19.
47 and 40 ang ato score labaw ang sindangan na.
And there goes Juan Agusa. Seriales kicks it down. Agante for the lead.
Go for 3 points. 43-47 ang score.
Second difference of the game clock is shot clock. And now here comes Indong. Indong now. Gives it to Moras. Back to Indong. 13 on the shot clock. And there goes 10 seconds. And basket. 5 seconds left.
47-45.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Labaw na lang mo 2 points ang sindangan. 47-45 ang score sa ato championship. Buwan na lalabaw.
47-45.